Who's ready for another recording mishap by Team UDF? You'll notice I have the big chest key. Well, here's what happened. I went outside, got my 2 fairies, came back inside, went to that room with the mole dorm. If you hit the switch and hookshot back in time to get the treasure chest, you will get the big chest key. And then for the rest of the episode, I fell down holes and I got nowhere, basically. But after that, I basically decided to just let Camtasia produce the video, and I hit produce the video, and when it was done, I realized that all it did was reproduce part 26 instead of what I was going to call part 27. And it just overwrote what I recorded for some reason. I don't know. I'm still getting used to Camtasia, so I probably missed a really obvious step or something, but because of that, this will be part 27, not what I had intended it to be. Let's see, big chest key, fairies, nothing else happened. I didn't die or anything. We're still going with the 0 death run. Oh, I should be using freaking ether. Hey, and now I'm lost. I tried a couple ways this way in the other episode. Damn! Freaking... Okay. No, I want to try this way. Or do I? I don't know. Man. This is annoying me. I just want to record my damn games, you know? That's so much to ask. Damn! Okay, I guess we're going down this hole. Let's see what's down here. There's a glitch down here. We're gonna have to go back for more fairies. Damn, son of a... I hate BMOs. I hate them so much. We're going to the basement to get hearts. I don't even care what's down here. I'm just going to the basement to get hearts by this point, you know. Oh, come on. Did I take this path before? I don't recognize... Oh, there it is. Oh. Oh, that would have been a big middle finger if I had gone that way before. Because I would have been like, hey, there's a treasure chest. Oh. Alright, let's get a heart and get the freaking wall master to take us back. I don't feel like pulling out the Pokemon. Alright. And now hopefully we can get another twofer up here. Oh, man. As I was saying in the last episode, this dungeon is ridiculous. Well, what was supposed to be the last episode. This dungeon is ridiculous. I hate it almost as much as Robber's Ruins. Okay, now let's go the way I intended to go before, and hopefully not get completely shot down. Oh, man. Is there anything in this game that can deflect it? Damn! Go to hell! Stupid BMOs! We haven't been down here. We can go over there, though. Is there anything over here? Let's try this way. Ooh. Let's try this one. This one was guarded by a chain chomp. It must go somewhere good. I want those. They probably don't even have hearts in them. They're probably just a tease, like most of this game. Oh, crap. Yeah, it didn't get me that time. Alright. Another one. Man, that one had BMOSes everywhere. You know, if I do this... Oh, son of a... You know, if I do something like this in one of my Zelda games, you guys can bet it won't be this overly difficult. I mean, this is stupid. I don't know how anyone's supposed to know where to go without a dungeon map. I mean... Oh, there's a room? What the hell's in here? Oh! Are you kidding? The ball... Whatever. How can I even hit that, though? What the hell am I supposed to do here? There's spikes down there. Oh. Crap. Now I need bombs for something significant. I only got 20, though. Can that hit me while I'm in the... Yes, it can! That's wonderful to know. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna try bombs. And if I start to die, I'm gonna freaking leave with the Book of Medora, because I'm not taking my first death. Oh, crap! Oh, you got a good hit? Yeah. Oh, man. Did I get him? I don't think so. Okay, got him that time. Oh, man. Son of a... Yeah. This sucks. Holy sh... Okay, alright. That won't work. I can't oh, wait, I bet I know what I can do. The arrows! The arrows are gonna do something! The arrows are gonna do something! Get him, like... Oh! Damn, I got 7 hearts. Okay, come on, I can do this with 7 hearts. I can freaking do this, man. I can freaking do this. Shoot him! Shoot him, Link! Shoot! No! Damn it! Stop moving! Okay. Yes! Freaking eat it! Oh. Damn, Helmosaur King. Oh, man. Give me the crystal. Give me the freaking crystal right now. God. I hate this place. I hate it so much. Why would they do this to me? I don't even have the dungeon item. I just beat the dungeon without the dungeon item. I made this freaking recording as a backup in case I never returned from the parallel tower. It's out of desperation that we decided to seek the power of the Triforce. This was not an easy decision to make, as positive actions can have negative results. To unlock the way between worlds is to unlock the way to those hungry for power and Beamoses. If those in the other world remain bitter, oh, I will, don't worry. Our actions might restart the war. That would be a shame, wouldn't it? I only hope that they learn their lesson and now live peacefully. Otherwise, the fallout will be devastating. My name is Lecker, I don't know. And I have the 3rd clue. Wait, the 3rd? Okay, so I missed a dungeon somewhere. From here, find the Sacred Forest Meadow. Okay. This ends my recording. Replay? No. I hate this freaking dungeon. But I have to go back inside. You know why? Because we didn't get a dungeon item from it. We didn't get anything from it. Okay. I don't need hearts now because it recovered me. Where's the dungeon item then? See, you see how this is so screwy? I found the boss before I found the dungeon item. Where is this damn thing? Where else can we go? Damn! Let's try this way. Beamos is everywhere. Man. Come on. Give me the chest. Where is it? It's probably going to be on the 7th basement with everything else in this freaking place. Or no, the tablet was on the 6th one. Oh, this is what the block's for. Okay, we can't go... Oh, you son of a... Okay, I don't have a ferry. I gotta be careful now. I'll only go one way. Okay, I gotta remember that. I gotta remember that I don't have a ferry. Otherwise, this is gonna get really bad. Okay, oh, this is the other side of that. Okay. Let's see where this goes. This brings me nowhere. Son of a... No, I don't want to do another episode of this. Come on, where is it? Where's the damn dungeon item? Just pick a path, Link. Pick a path. Let's try this way again. This seemed to lead to a lot of stuff. This had, like, everything. This had the big key and the big chest key. He's got something else. I don't even care. Just go. I don't even care. I got 6 hearts. I can take 6 hits. Well, I can take 2 hits. Whatever. Whatever. Just go. Just go. Just freaking go. Don't even care. Wait, no, I've been this way. Damn, I've been this way. Nowhere else to go. Oh, wait, I can go this way. What's in here? Freaking nothing. And 7. No, there it is! There it is! It's the mirror shield! We have the freaking mirror shield! Oh, next time, I'm done. Screw this place. See you next time, everyone.